Alright. Can't wait to start the day. Wait. What the hell? Yeah, I'm gonna need some help with this. There we go. Almost done. Oh, Percy's calling me. Hello, Thomas? Hey, Percy, what's up? Yeah, I need your help. Can you come over here? I can't. I'm looking for coaches. Well, just hurry up and come over here. Okay, but here's the deal. I can't find them. What do you mean you can't find the coaches? I can't find them. There's only trucks. What do you mean there's only trucks? It means there's only trucks. Well, then get out of the shunting yard. Man, you don't have to shout at me. Jeez, I'll look in another siding. There are more trucks. What do you mean there's more trucks? There are just more trucks. Get into the next siding. There's nothing there at all. It's just a turntable. Jesus, where are you right now? I'm at the harbor. What the hell do you mean you're at the harbor? I'm at the harbor. What yard are you at Knapford Harbor? Why are you looking for coaches at Knapford Harbor? What, you?